What's up, guys? It's Mitch with SC Weather. Hope y'all been having a great Monday. Today has been phenomenal, just like yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful air mass overhead right now, and we are cooling off pretty quickly today. I tell you what, here in South Carolina, we have some clouds in place, but the clouds are making it look super fall-like, especially here in the Midlands, just from what I see. I can't really speak for everywhere. But areas in the Carolinas, we still have this just entrenched, awesome air mass, already lowering into the lower 60s in parts of North Carolina. Out west, it looks like the air mass is kind of eroding a little bit. The high pressure shifting, and it's kind of eroding. And you got warmer temperatures in Alabama and Mississippi for sure. It's definitely not as comfortable, but we're on our way to the coolest night of the season in places in here in the Carolinas and parts of Georgia. But before we get started in this video, if y'all haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. The weather is going to get active again. I promise y'all that. October is always a weird and crazy month here in the Carolinas as far as weather. So stay up to date, subscribe, support me. I was so appreciated. I tell you that. But anyways, let's get going. Quick talk about hurricanes, hurricane season in the tropics out there. Beta is impacting Texas right now. It's not a major deal. It ended up going down a little bit as far as how major it could have been as far as flooding. Hurricane Teddy, it looks like it's just missing Bermuda, and we definitely are still going here. And Teddy has a chance to kind of merge with maybe a trough over here, an upper level low, and do something crazy and maybe hit Nova Scotia or something. We're gonna watch that, but definitely no threat to land. But let's talk about tonight's weather. So tonight is definitely going to be our coldest night, coolest night, however way you look at it, of the season. We're going to drop down quick as we get into, this is around the 4 a.m. range. We're already into the low 50s, already dipping into the 40s in spots. And I tell you, even though it doesn't show it hitting the 40s here in Columbia and things like that, I do think this tomorrow morning will be the morning where a lot of areas get into the 40s, especially here in the Midlands and definitely the northwest part of the state. And so as we get through, we're going to warm up. Sorry, my daughter's in the background. I'm watching the kids by myself tonight. So sorry for the distraction, guys. But coolest night of the season by far. Technically it's the last day of summer. Tomorrow is the first day of the first full day of fall. So beautiful day tomorrow. Again, it'll be a tad warmer, but enough about that. I want to do a brief peek on what we could possibly see next week. This front that is showing up on the European, the GFS, all major models, the ensembles, this thing looks potent. This front looks like it might deliver even cooler weather than we're experiencing in the last few days. And so as we kind of move into frame here, we get into about mid next week, and man, this front clears all the way down to Florida. Very, very impressive. It almost makes it clear all the way to Miami. These are dew points, by the way, but dew points in the 40s and 30s pretty much symbolizes that low temperature can get down into the mid to low 40s. So and just check it out, the entire lower 48 has low dew points. Just shows an incredible air mass. So this is more of a just major trough, major cold front that just clears the entire eastern seaboard. So next week looks, as of now, and it's been showing up for several days now, to look like to be just as potent of a cold front as we have dealt with, the air mass we have dealt with the past few days, and we will continue to deal with. So that's something to watch. I can't say it enough, guys. This is very rare. This would be a beautiful start to October, as the air mass will be entrenched on October 1st. So it's just something awesome that a lot of people should take advantage of. And I know not everybody likes the cool weather. I know I love it. I love seasonable weather. So I just wanted to talk about that. We're watching a big cold front, but before we get into that cold front this week, I think football here in the Southeast, Southeast football SEC football starting this week. I do think it's going to be warm and muggy, not hot and muggy, but it'll be warm and muggy, and I think we'll have a lot of cloud cover and rain. But we'll get more into that here in a couple days. But as usual, this was a quick video. I just wanted to kind of share that with you because I do think this is a big-time front next week, and we're going to get more into this in the coming days. But as usual, thank you all for watching. Y'all have a blessed evening.